Hello, you. I got some paints from Pouring Masters, 18 of them, $39 though. I'm going to show you what it comes with, okay? Oh, it doesn't come with that. It comes with this. So it comes with this gloss pour medium. And then it comes with acrylic pouring paint in titanium white. This is 8 ounces. Okay, this is something that you can mix with your paints, but you can use it to make the painting shine afterwards, okay? And then we've got 18 colors, so just beautiful colors. The only ones that are metallic. And then it also does come with some silicone. These are 2 ounces and there's 18 bottles. Lots of pretty colors. This is a 9 by 12. Like this then. That's okay. I don't need to really squirt it out, do I? No, I don't. I just don't want to overuse it. Glide. They're small bottles, so I don't want to waste it at all. What that they make, I just love that color. It's just absolutely just an erase or something. And we have 24 karat gold. Next up is Caribbean Blue. Say I like some noise for Caribbean Blue. Next, silver dollar metallic. Silver dollar metallic is in there. It's in the house. Grape jelly, yum yum. Peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, yummy. I still like those. Okay. Aquamarine. Yay, yay. And citrus orange, yum yum. We like that gold, don't we? We do. We like it, babes. We like it. I feel like I need to have a little more of this. Just, oops, just a little more of this. Well, that's like a little eyelash. Oh, no eyelashes. No, no. Okay, so let's just do this. Ready? Let's do it, babies. I might need a little more paint, I'm not sure. Oops, I hope you can see that. Get this over so you can see it good. I like having some of this in here still. because I like having a little bit of it right there too, and right here. I do want this to come out onto the edge there though. Okay, let's see here. I like it a lot. It's very pretty, and I do want to leave some of these funky little cell things in there. So let me give it a little torch. I want to make sure that this edge gets covered up. This is just right up to the edge, and the colors are not, I mean, the paints are just like perfect. They're not too thin, they're not too thick. They're staying up here, and I've seen them dry, and they just dry, they don't crack or anything. They just dry super nice, just super easy and convenient, you know? They do have some, the metallics are just gorgeous. But these colors, I like it. I just mixed up some different colors, and it's pretty cool. Got a nice green, I love green. Nice green ocean vibe to it. I will bring you down. Oh, I'm gonna give it a little torch real quick. I'm gonna bring you down and show you. We are good. Whoops, I got them on Amazon. I think it was 39 bucks for that set. So all that you need is some canvases. You could do everything that you need with those paints, because it has the white background, okay? So it's all right there. If you want black though, that's a little bit different. And then it's also got the gloss. So you're good to go. All right, and then I also buy these on Amazon. These are gigantic push pins. I love them. About $7 or $8. I need to start listing that stuff. Okay, let me bring it down, babies. All right, here we are up close. The pretty gold. A little bit more muted here. Pretty, got some blue coming out there. Look at all those colors there. Some more of the purple, the blues. Isn't that gorgeous? That purple and that blue and that green. Just very pretty design. Lots of white coming through. Lots of cells. And I didn't put any silicone in it at all. No silicone in it at all. So kind of like a little ocean vibe. It's a 9x12. I think it's real cute. You saw how simple it was to do it. Give it a try. It's only paint. If you don't like it, you can just scrape it right off and do it over. And I just randomly picked those colors out, you guys. I didn't give it a lot of thought. One thing I try not to do is to overthink it, because then when I do, I'm not happy. And when I'm just like, I'm just going to go for it and just do it, then I'm usually pretty satisfied with it. So please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe for more content. Thank you for joining me. And I hope you're having a really awesome week. It's September. Time for the fall. Okay. Love you. See you soon.